Let's quickly look at this. We have three imports. PySimple GUI handles the graphical user interface. Pillow, used to open the images and quickly get their pixel data. Copy, used to make copies of memory. We have a couple dithering matrices, auto level. It's pretty good functionality, trivial. Sobel filter uses convolution here. Sepia makes it look vintage. Grayscale, self-explanatory. Dithering, also self-explanatory. Color boost, we can boost all or just one of the color channels. Just a helper function to update the canvas. The actual defining of the interface, all the buttons on the left side, another column to hold the original image, and another for the altered. More stuff for the user interface. The event loop handles all the buttons, the exit, load, clear, save, undo. You get the picture. We'll play with all of those. And at the end, it'll just close it. So let's actually run this thing. Okay. Undo. There's nothing to undo. Who would have thought? We can't do any functions. That's some error handling. Load. Let's load a picture. Look, we are prompted to open an image. Let's do it. Put it up. And before I show you some other functionality, let's just make sure that we can replace this image. Yep, it'll just replace that image nice and easy. I actually like working with this image here. We're gonna do that. All right, grayscale. Self-explanatory, goes through all the pixels, averages them, and then sets it to that average value for all our G and B. Undo. There's a 2x2 dithering matrix. There's a 4x4. There's an 8x8. We can boost all the colors, makes it look brighter, or we can boost one at a time to make it look more red, green, or blue, respectively. Auto leveling improves the contrast. Now it just defines a new maximum range from 0 to 255. So essentially, we're just using the entire range instead of maybe not using it as before. We can undo that as well. The Sobel filter, I like to boost this one after the fact just so we can see the edges. Undo all of that. We can do undo multiple operations. And the sepia makes it look vintage. Now the cool part is we can stack these on top of each other to make some crazy combinations of images. No more actions undo, thank you. Let's do a auto level, and then we're going to boost red and blue. Undo, undo. And whatever we do to this image, let's just quickly make it look rather strange. Pretty deep fried there. We're going to save it as deep fried. Where does it go? Into the same folder. That's where you run this program. Come back to here really quick. We can clear the screen and we can bring it back. We can also just keep going down that undo stack to get back to the original image so we can continue playing. That just improves functionality. It's very convenient. You don't have to keep loading new images every time. Makes it more fun to use. And then, of course, the exit button will, well, that's crazy. It exited my program. Well,